Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. The goodies is still on the celebration. You know, I had to come for I come this time. I came for celebration of the festive period, and yes, still in part of the celebration, we are going to be preparing moi today. And this is beans, brown beans. Had washed the brown beans. This is the shaft here, and I'm still going to be removing this one. The process I had to pass through in washing all this is a process whereby I earlier videoed it, and you'll be seeing that. So now we want to mix this moi. We are going to be putting all the necessary ingredients inside, and we'll now go and grind it. So when you want to do your moi, we have moi beans, the one they use in doing moi, and we also have white beans and red beans. You can use any of them to do your moi. In today's video, we are going to be using red beans to prepare our moi, and you will see how it will come out so lovely and nice. So you must not wait until you have the moi beans. Any beans, you can use it in preparing your moi. Also, they also have delicacy on the fire. I'm going to be showing you people that. Also, you know, this celebration was all about fun, merriment. Yes, so here is the beans. Yes, still on our enjoyment seat, we have another delicacy here. This is plantain, porridge plantain, ripe plantain. This is what we are preparing, and we're also going to be adding vegetable inside it. If you've not eaten porridge plantain, you can try this and see how it will come out. Yeah, Mama Beverly in the house.
Hey guys.
Yes. It's time to add that. Okay.
Okay, this is basically the conclusion of this ripe plantain porridge. Putting vegetable in our Nigerian food is usually the conclusive part of it. When you put the vegetable, it therefore means that the food is ready.
Yeah, so I told you guys that we're having different kinds of delicacy for this festive period celebration, and you guys will be choosing the one you like most on the comment section. Just keep dropping the one you want, and I will dish it for you.
I didn't put oil. Can you imagine how you would cook and you will forget something?
No. You know it's ripe plantain already, so the face was already showing you.
Yes,
maybe the face was deceiving you that
yes,
already there is palm oil inside.
Yeah, it's ripe.
Yes, it was already looking nice, and
it was looking nice.
Come eat with us. Yummy. And that's ready. Yeah, so my beautiful people, if this is your first time in my channel, don't fail to thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, tap the bell for notification of more videos, and also learn how to prepare your moi moi in an easy way, very easy and unique way. Yeah, so what was I? Yeah, so guys, I am going to be eating my moi moi now.
Mommy, I want to eat. Hi.
Alright, that's hello.
Hello.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
So what do you want to eat? What is this called? Moi moi. Aha.
Mama, what is this? Mommy, it's you.
Yes, moi moi.
Yeah, it's you.
Ooh. Mm.
Blow it. Blow it. Mommy, blow it. Salt. Mommy, blow it again.
Okay, let's keep it there. Yeah, get cold.
When I carry my go-go went to fall. Mommy, this is your water.
Wow, I'm going to be taking this with juice.
It's your juice.
Yeah, and maybe I say the thing get as one day. My chicken.
Chicken. Chicken.
Mm.
Mama, it's already.
Okay, take yours. Goodbye. Wow, so this is like snacks. You can take it as snacks, as food, as appetizer, and we have people that love moi moi very well. So you can chat me up how to prepare this, or you can check my channel how we prepare this,
Hey,
and you make yours.
hey. Why are you carrying that clothes? What's that?
Yes, you please help me with cup there.
Yes, what I hear.
Yeah, you put it in cup. Help me with one cup.
Let me add
Yeah,
it.
drink is sweet.
It's sweet. It's good.
Very good.
The block inside it.
Yes.
Mommy, let me see the block. Car.
Don't put your hand.
Let me touch it first.
Oh,
It's your block.
yes.
My block is inside here. Let me see my block first. It's yours.
This is watermelon juice, extracted juice.
My own is here.
Let me see it.
See.
All right. Drink. Are you enjoying your food?
What's that? Your block.
No,
It's your block.
it's not black.
It's somebody block. It's somebody block. It's somebody
You gotta bring
block.
another. Gechi, please give me one cup there. Rubber cup.
Wait for me, then took inside my own.
Bring this one.
No. That block. Sit. Where's my own now? Mommy, where's my own?
Beverly, come.
Hi. Mom, goes for me. Mommy, please. See chicken mouth.
Come and eat with us.
Come on, eat us.
It is gently.
Tayo cut.
Cut it gently.
We got cut. Ah.
Alonga, alonga.
Come
You should go.
on.
Yeah.
Oh.
This one does not even want to follow you because it's hard. You just say chocolate. Draw it, cut it gently, so you cannot.
I'm not quite finished. Man, this one. Mommy.
Oh, that's serious. That is serious. Go away. Two of you should go. Let me take my time and you see it.
Bone.
Eat. It's fish.
The bone inside here.
No, it's fish inside the manna. Eat.
No, there's bone.
Did you remove it? Where is it?
It's inside.
Okay. When you see it, when you remove it, okay?
Yes. I
Alright. We're done eating for
I'm
today's.
done with
Tell them bye.
it. Bye.
See you guys in our next video. Bye.
Hi. Mommy, break this side for me.
It's bone. Can't break it.
Can you break this side?